Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be going through a website builder called Squarespace. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, for those who don't know Squarespace, it's actually a very popular website builder and actually offers an integrated e-commerce platform. Now, this allows users, of course, to sell and create products through their website. So we're going to have a rundown through some of the features that are on Squarespace Ecommerce. And then what I'd like to do as well is I'll just show you around the website builder itself and also show you the different pricing plans that they have for e-commerce. So they actually have an area on Squarespace which allows you to add and manage products. So that's what product management is. Now on this one you could go ahead and upload images, you could set prices, you can also create categories, tags and track your inventory. So just to demonstrate the product management area, there's a specific area on the actual dashboard itself and it is called Commerce. So you'll see it there just below the pages and design. You want to go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be able to go ahead and track your orders, your inventory, your customers and your discounts. There's other ways as well to do it. You've got memberships, custom merch and so on. So it's just located on your left side there. So orders, inventory, customers and discounts. So where we want to go first is to the actual inventory. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Now this is the most important part. Now, say you've got your store set up, you've got all the parts that you need for your actual store. Say you've got your sections, your categories. This is where we're going to go ahead and do it. Now you've got different parts there, so that's the sort of area that you can manage. So that's the product management area. So depending if you've got a physical stock, you can go ahead and track the numbers. Your services, of course, as well. So depending how many services you're going to offer, it's tracked as well. Your digital downloads and your gift cards, depending if you offer those two different features. And of course it gives you an overall for your products. Now, easy enough to do. All we need to do is just select add product and you've got a list of different options there where you got physical, you've got service, digital download, gift card, membership, video on demand or scheduling. So quite a bunch of different options there. So pick the specification that's best suited for your business or website, of course. So if of course I am a clothing store, I can go ahead and select for a physical business, especially if I'm a bakery. Of course you can't offer digital products. So if you are maybe wanting to sell audiobooks or music or anything like that, then you could do for a digital download. Now if someone maybe wants to purchase something off your website and as a customer of course you want to give someone a gift, then you can give the option for customers to grab a gift card, of course, and then they'll be able to have a code to use or give it to someone else. Service, that's easy enough. That's pretty much just what sort of services you offer. Of course, if you have a plumbing service, then you can sort of serve up which is the different types of plumbing. You've got membership as well, which we all know you'll be billed monthly for it. So things like that. If we did select for the first one there, which is just the physical one, we'll go ahead and just do an example out of this one. So of course there's one there called eucalyptus face scrub, so that would be one of them, and you even get a little area for just a demonstration. So let's just say I did treats button. Okay, and I can go ahead and upload a file. Now you'll not actually be able to see it on my side. It's just opened up my file explorer. So there is the image there. Of course, find one that's best suited for that area. Now if you are stuck for images, you can select from the library and you can just should be hopefully okay, so not on this one, but you should be able to use some of the free images on Squarespace itself. So I'm happy enough to select this for the meantime. And then our next step is, of course, to set up our inventory, which is the pricing. So let's just say I wanted to do that for £3.99, and the stock, of course, is unlimited. I can give an option as well to have a total amount of stock, so only a 500 stock. Of course, if it is unlimited stock, then you can select for unlimited stock. And of course, this is where we can add a description. Now, what's great about the description as well is that it'll pick it up on the search engine, meaning that you'll pick up on SEO. That means higher ranking, more traffic. You can add and provide more information, of course, depending if you wanted to. So you could add text, you could add videos, audios, and so on for the additional information. Now you can also add more images, doesn't just have to be the one. I can decide to discount a particular one and then have it as $2.99, so that could be a promotional, and that's when I would do the email marketing stuff. So that's when I would provide people with email marketing, saying that there is a sale on my website. Of course, there's bits and pieces that you can go ahead and do on Squarespace. You can watch more of that in the other video of Squarespace marketing. So of course that's the SKU, and then unlimited stock. I can add variants if I wanted to, so same products but of course something different. We'll just say custom. So food. So something like that. Okay, so there's two variants. There's a lemon drizzle, and then of course I could change the food one to a different name. For some reason I can't think of a food product. Okay, we'll just do that. So of course there's one cart cake, and then we'll say instead of $2.99, that's £7.99. Don't need dimensions. Unlimited stock. That. Happy enough. Click back. So there we go. Now we've got two products of the profile treats bun. Now, depending how you want to do it, you can go ahead and do advanced shipping as well. You could set up fulfillment profiles, and of course you can add them in the category. So that's pretty much just what the product management looks like, and that's just a quick rundown on it. Now our next one there is payment processing. So of course what's great is Squarespace actually integrates with most of the major payment gateways, and if you guys ever heard of Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay, and of course it allows you to accept payments securely. Now, a way to locate that, of course, is just on the commerce side of the things. So just select the commerce, just like before, on your actual setup store. So we've actually done the products. You'll see there, you've got the payments area. Just want to go ahead and click on that. Now, as I said, with the options there, you've got Stripe, PayPal, and there's actually another one, which is Square, but this is only for the US. So that's just something to note. Now you can go ahead and connect them, and that's easy enough to do. Once you've got the business connected, that's it. So all the payments will be directly going through PayPal or Stripe. So order management. Now this is where Squarespace would provide tools for managing orders, including tracking orders, processing refunds, and printing shipping labels. So that's pretty much what that is in a nutshell. Now, depending on the order, of course, if a customer has ordered, you can go ahead and track their profiles and the customers, select which one you wanted to, and pretty much just offer a refund. So that's as easy as that goes. Of course, there is other ones as well, like shipping your printing labels, and of course tracking the orders, depending how you went about with the actual shipment. Now, next one there is marketing. Now, of course, as I've stated early on with email marketing, Squarespace does offer various marketing tools, such as the use of discount codes. They've got abandoned cart recovery. They've got email campaigns, just to help you promote and boost your products and sales. So if we have a look at the marketing strategy that Squarespace has, they've got an area there called discounts. If you go ahead and select on that, of course you can see which one's scheduled for, which one's inactive. I can go ahead and provide a automatic discount code, or just say 10% off a single product. And of course I could filter that product. See if I could find it. So there you go, there's the particular product. Now the limit total uses, of course, would be, you could do limited to 2, limit per 1 customer. But of course you would have to have a paid plan in order to do that. Of course you could generate codes as well, so that's what the code would be. Or that would be the code there. So that's a way in order to actually push your marketing by promoting discount codes. Now, of course, if you wanted to do email stuff, there's actually a particular part where you could do that, and it's just there. It's within the area called marketing. Now you could do an email campaign, and this pretty much just pushes a email towards all of your customers or people that are subscribed to your newsletter. And of course, if you have a hold of that email as well, as you can see, you can create a template there, mailing list, and add sender details. So it's easy as that. There are a couple of different examples on it. So there's the different campaign types, like blast, welcome to the new subscribers. If we have a look at the mailing list, so these are the different templates that you can potentially use. So you can do discount codes as well, like you can announce sales and stuff. So that'll like tie in well with the discount codes as well. See if it loads up. So there's one there. And of course you could add a like percentage off. Just make sure everything ties well. So like use discount summertime to get 10% off on your first order, something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much the marketing strategies on Squarespace. Now our next one would be more to do with the analytics, and of course you could have tools to track your website's performance, including sales, traffic, and customer behavior. So there is actually a specific analytic tool that you can use as well, which is called Google Analytics. Now it's currently running on one of the ones that I've got here, but as you can see, you could try the different analytics there. You've got reports, you can explore as well. So just quite a lot of different things you can do on Google Analytics to see and check out the performance of your website. But there you go, guys. Overall, I think Squarespace provides a robust e-commerce platform with features that can help you create a professional online store quickly and easily. Now, everything's very handy. You can go through all the navigation. Everything's pretty much there for you. So, guys, hopefully this video has helped. Hopefully the little tips and tricks have assisted you for your website or your Squarespace website. If you guys have any questions at all, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.